How to send money on PayPal using family and friends. Hi there, today we'll teach you how to use or send a money using family and friends on the account. So first thing, you need to sign into your PayPal account. So you have either the option to click on send, that's the yellow button, or you can just go to send and request, that's located on the top part of the website. When you click on send and request, under send, you just need to input either the name of the person, email, the account name, and or the mobile number of the person where you want to send a payment to. So let's say type in the email address. Once you type in the email address, we'll be routed to a page where we will be asked for how much the amount that we'll want to send to that person. Here you can also prompt in the reason for sending a payment. And then here you'll have the option to what payment type this is. So we'll choose for family and friends. Then when we click on continue, there it will prompt us, or there will be informations as like the address, and also we need to add or link a card. So here you would just need to input all the informations asked. Make sure those informations are correct so that you will not encounter any issues and sending a money will be successful. Okay. Once you link card, you will be able to proceed with sending your payment to the person or to the email address that you have just inputted earlier. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching.